you still driving with those weak yellow halogen headlights? It's time for an upgrade. Spiderex Pro Light LED bulb is a game changer. 45 watts of power and a stunning 4,500 lumens. You'll experience crystal clear night vision like never before. Traditional halogen bulbs only give you about 1,200 to 1,500 lumens, leaving you squinting in the dark. But with Spiderex, you get 3 times the brightness and a focused beam that lights up the road without blinding oncoming drivers. Plus, installation is a breeze. Just swap out your old bulb and ready to go. Say goodbye to dull lights. Hello to safer, brighter rides with Spiderex.